In this video, we will have a quick look at the on-screen shortcuts and the different options you will have here. On-screen shortcuts you will find in the Wacom Center in the top tab next to the devices. If I click here, I will get a quick introduction on the different types of on-screen shortcut menus, like radial menus, which are optimized for use with your pen, requiring minimal pen movement and very quick access to your shortcuts. And on the Cintiq Pro 27 as a pen and touch display, you can use also the grid panels, which you can operate with your non-dominant hand by using the multi-touch feature and working with your dominant hand with the pen on the pen activities. Let's start with the radial menus. So we have a couple of predefined radial menus like the Express menu and the radial menu, and each of these, I would say, segments can be or is predefined by a shortcut key or by a driver functionality, but you can easily change the setting by just clicking on one of these segments. For example, if I want to change the 3 o'clock segment, which is disabled in the Express menu, I will click here. And now, you might have seen this window before. You will find a lot of actions which you can assign to this specific segment. For example, you can use mouse clicks, you can use specific tablet commands, and if I click on keyboard here, I can also use a keyboard shortcut. Let's do this. Let's go on keyboard shortcut, and for example, I want to program an undo keyboard shortcut on this specific segment in the radial menu. So to do this, the keyboard shortcut window is waiting for my command. So I type in Command D on the keyboard, and I will give it a label by typing in undo. And if I hit apply, you will see that I have on the 3 o'clock position, I will have the undo keyboard command on my Express menu. And this is the first step. So you can have different settings on each of these 8 segments, but to activate the radial menu, you have to assign it to either one of the Express keys or to one of the pen buttons. Let's do this with the pen button. Go back to devices, click on my program tree, and just think, okay, on the top button here, I still have erase, but I want to assign my specific Express key or my specific radial menu. By doing this, clicking on erase, and now I can go in here, go to my list of radial menus and take my Express menu. And now you can see on my top button on my program tree, I have the Express menu. And if I click that button, you will see that the Express menu will pop up at the cursor position. So I can close it here by the X, can move in here, and it always pops up at cursor position, and you also see the undo key assigned to this specific segment. And if I click on undo, the menu closes automatically.